Creating XR and AI educational productions for the Metaverse is a four-phase process. First, you create your storyline and associated dilemmas. Next phase, create your XR environmental scenarios. Phase 3, distribute your production. And finally, phase 4, collect and document your students' success via the empirical data collection and review process. Phase 1, create storylines and associated dilemmas. The first thing you need to know is your audience, because different strategies and production techniques appeal to different age groups. For example, if you are creating a production for the 6 through 10-year-old age group, you might wish to consider focusing on fundamental educational concepts, creativity, and fun things to do in order to keep them engaged. Topics for this age group might include the following. For the 11 through 14-year-old age group, you may wish to focus on enhancing their learning experiences, focusing on critical thinking, and promoting collaborative skills. Topics for this group might include these activities. For the 15 through 18-year-old group, you may wish to focus on advanced academic topics, career guidance, and skill development. Topics for this grade, or this age group, include these activities. And finally, the adult age group. You may wish to focus on advanced career-oriented guidance, theoretical knowledge, and practical skills. Such topics might include the following. Metaverse, the merging of AI and XR technologies. The first step in your journey is to open the AI website https://chat.openai.com. Once open, you will then be prompted to sign in as a new user. Next, you will then be asked to log into your account. Once you log into your account, you will be presented with this page. Note, all versions of ChatGPT will work with the following instructions. Note, this is the area in where you will copy and paste your first prompt. The key to creating evidence-based educational content for the Metaverse is to write 5 terminal course objectives for a student that demonstrates proficiency in knowing something, doing something, and feeling something. Here's an example. Write 5 terminal course objectives that demonstrates a student's proficiency in reading and understanding English in order to get on the correct bus in New York City and feel confident in their journey. Now, you take a moment and jot down your own prompt that is associated with your new production. Once written down, copy and paste your prompt into the prompt location shown above. Prompt 2. Clearly define your XR production type. Also note the age of your student audience and how your student should feel about their experience. Here's an example. With the above information in mind, create an augmented reality storylines about a 15-year-old student who feels confident about their journey. Now, you take the time and jot down your second prompt question. Prompt 3. Create a dilemma, or if needed, a series of dilemmas with the above information in mind. Create 3 dilemmas with 3 possible outcomes. 2 are good and 1 is bad. This can be changed to meet whatever your specific needs are. Here's an example. Create an augmented reality storyline about a 15-year-old student and feel confident about his or her journey. Phase 2. Your storyline and associated dilemmas are now ready for visual interpretation and production using AI generation engines. There are various ways of creating scenarios and scene generation techniques. Here are 2 of them. Number 1, you can go out and purchase a 4K GoPro. Items such as this can be found on Amazon for approximately $400. Once purchased, set it up in the environment of your choice. Then integrate a third-party software application to provide hotspots and links. Here's an example using Cinema 8 software. You notice as I move through the picture, the 360-degree image has been captured. There are also hotspots in which you can present information to your students, or links to other outside resources. The second way of generating educational scenes and populate them with 3D assets would be for you to reach out and contact an XR 3D media developer, such as Nextech 3D. With Nextech 3D, you can create 3D models from 2D or 3D objects. Models can also be generated via CAD files. And finally, AR solutions can be generated using their Arterized product. Now let's take a moment and examine Arterized 3D in greater detail. With Arterized 3D, you can create professional, high-quality 3D and AR models for your educational productions. You can transform simple 2D images or CAD files into outstanding 3D or AR renditions, and then seamlessly integrate them within your educational scenarios. By using Toggle 3D, you bridge the gap between engineering and art. You transform your CAD files into immersive 3D experiences and create photorealistic 3D and AR designs with anyone, anywhere. By using AR Way, you can create navigation and wayfinding experiences such as location intelligence, gamification, training and information sharing, curated routes and guided tours, as well as spatial experiences. By using MapD, you can create and transform CAD files into immersive 3D experiences. You can redefine your space with adaptive designs, ensuring a layout that exceeds expectation and encourages attendee exploration. You can experience the simplicity of attendee sign-up, complemented by customized badging, ensuring a welcoming and organized experience. And then finally, MapD is built to foster networking and secure, memorable experiences. 3D assets and avatars. Note: 3D assets may need coding in order to assign physical properties to them. Phase 3. Distribute your production. You have a couple of ways that you can distribute your production. One, you can distribute it by using your local server, or choose to stream your production to scale to any device at any time by using a third-party software application. Phase 4. Collect and document your student success via AXACADEMY spreadsheet document. This document can be found and downloaded by visiting the Teaching Templates webpage and scroll to the bottom of the page to download the item.